I have a bird farm.
You have a bird farm.
This is my bird farm, and here are the birds. The name is Pillow and Tui, and Pillow's very mean to Pillow.
Who?
Tui's very mean to Pillow.
Oh yeah? Well, that's not good.
Yes. And here are their cages. Lola and Cookie, they are right there on that cage. Do you want to hold Tui?
No.
Okay.
You have to take care of your own farm.
I'm going to try to attach these two birds.
You're gonna attach them.
Yeah, and this is my whole bird farm.
Wow.
Who wants to walk? Do you want to walk? Okay. There, you can walk if you want. You want to walk too? Okay. Here. There. These will protect you and be
Make sure you clean up their poop. Okay?
Okay.
Open Lola's and Cookie's cage. That way they can come out too if they want.
Okay. Hi. No, Lola and Cookie's cage. It's not a cage, it's called house.
Okay, their house, my bad.
Hi, Jody. You don't have to worry about these. These will protect you. Because I'm so nice to you. So, anyway, that's why I'm trying to put stuff that will protect you. Okay? Are you still taking video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, see these stuff that Tui is eating right now? He thinks it's food, but do you know what these are called right here?
What are they?
It's called protectors. So I put those around my bird farm. So while these two birds are walking, they're going to be safe.
Oh, well, that's a good thing.
And because these are called protected things. And hi, Pillow. You want to go back on me? Okay, step up. Step up. Okay, step up now. What do you want? Huh? You want that dye? Don't worry, I'll bring it here. Here, I got it for you. Here, I found the dye for you. Oh, that one just went past. Oh my gosh. Hi, Pillow. You want that dye? I guess you're scared of the dye. Are you scared of it? Oh my god. He's really mad at this dye. Oh my gosh. So you don't have to worry about the dye. That we just roll it and any color. Do you what? What, you want to step up again? Okay. Here you go. Oh, that. Ew, that is Downy. Okay.
That is what?
Downy. Downy is early on the ground. It's early on the ground. Oh my gosh. It's early on the ground. Okay. This is a farm. No. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Okay, step up. There you go. Boom, beam, bam, beam, boom, beam, boom. You want to go? You really want me? My bird farm? My bird farm is done. Oh.
Oh, let him. He wants to play with that.
He's so strong. He's so close to the dye. If you want to hold Bill, just tell me. Because I'm the owner of the farm.
Look at Tootie.
You're so strong, Tui. But You just tell me if you want to hold Bill or Tootie. Just
It's okay.
Tell me the name.
You're
so
doing a
I
good
know-
job.
But,
So
but tell me the name so I know what kind of bird because I know the names of these birds. Tootie and Bill and Cookie and Lola. Those birds. So Tootie can step on
Lola's
its
eating
tail.
again.
So Tootie, Bill can step on Tootie's tail, but Tootie can't. That's the rule in my farm. And when you came here, did you see the rules?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so you just went past the rules.
I did. I didn't see the rules. You have to explain it to me.
So the other rules are no big birds standing on them, but if it's just kid and kid, it's okay to be on top of each other. But if it's going to be baby and adult, then if it's baby and adult, then no, not okay. Those are the not okay rules, and some are the okay rules. So this, and then that's it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Tootie, oh my god. You flew for no way. Here, I have these two birds again. Which one do you want to hold?
What can you tell me about cockatiels?
Cockatiels. Okay. You can go back
They're
to
from Australia.
I know because I'm the owner of this farm, and this farm I have a cockatiel.
So what country are they from?
So the cockatiel. Since I have a cockatiel, my farm is so close to Australia.
Australia?
Yeah, you can just if you're in my farm and you live somewhere, you live close to Australia.
Yeah? Have you ever been to Australia?
No, but I own this farm, and this farm is from San Diego, and San Diego from Australia. Okay, you want to walk. Okay.
Do cockatiels, do they talk?
Nope, but Cookie and
What-
Lola talk.
What do they know what to do with the cockatiels? Can they talk or do they whistle?
Whistle.
They whistle.
Yeah, but they can talk by whistling. But they can't talk like how these dudes talk.
Which dudes?
Like these dudes, Cookie, I like his cheeks. I like Lola's cheeks.
Is Cookie a boy or a girl?
Boy.
What kind of bird is Cookie?
It's this called talking bird.
Talking bird? No, it's a parrotlet. Parrotlet. Because it's a tiny parrot.
Are you parrotlet? Are you parrotlet? Cookie, are you parrotlet? He's not even saying anything. Oh my gosh. Why are you not saying anything?
Okay, come here. I think the video's too long. Come here. You say bye to the video. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Bye. This is my new video that I can make, and that's it for my farm. My farm is about to close, so soon you have to leave this farm by going back to. Do you live in Australia?
Do I? No, I live in San Diego. What about you?
I live in the farm. This is called San Diego, close to Australia.
Oh yeah.
That's what it's called. Oh my gosh, why are you playing with my coin? Why are you playing with my
Alright,
coin?
you gotta stop this
is
now.
a special